girls! Welcome to Practical Life. We're going to be doing toy color sorting today. So the only thing you need to get started is your colored paper. So I have instruction paper. So I have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, pink, black, and white. So if you have different colors, you're more than welcome to use it. I didn't have any purple. If you have like teal or some other colors, that are between these colors, you can do those as well, whatever you have, to make it fun. And then if you don't have colored paper, you could use different colored towels. If you have like hand wash towels that are a solid color, or blankets or things like that. And then you could also get a white piece of paper and cut out little squares and color the squares the different colors that you want to look if you have lots of markers. And if you don't want to do that, you could also use sticky notes. If you have lots of different colored sticky notes, you could just stick it on the floor or on the table and have the toys around it. So whatever you have available, color paper is just what I have. So whatever you want to do. All right, so I'm going to put out my colored paper. Now, if I was you, I would probably put these on the floor so that you have lots of room, because I know you guys have big toys. I don't have a lot of toys, and all the toys I have are very small. So I'm going to do it on the table so you can also see me. So it's whatever you want to do. If you want to do it on the floor, if you want to do it on a table, you could do it outside, whatever you want to do. But I'm going to do it at the table so you can see. So the first color is red. We're going to start with red. So if you would go into the other room and you would get a bunch of red toys, you could do one at a time and bring it. If you have siblings who want to play, you could get one red toy. They could get one red toy. If your parents want to play, they could get one. You could all go to the house and get all the red toys and then bring it back. I would do one toy at a time, right? We get one activity at a time when we're at school. So while you're playing this game, I'd get one toy at a time. So I, for the sake of time, went around and collected all the toys before I started the video. So I'm just going to pull them out of the basket. So our first color is red. I'm going to get my red toys out. I have this saw that's part of a puzzle, and it's very red on this side. So I'm going to put that on my red. I have these stacking dolls from Bulgaria, which is where I used to live. And she's got strawberries all over her. She's got lots of stacking dolls inside of her. I'm going to leave them together. And I'm going to put those there. And my other red object is this red horse from Sweden. I'm going to put that right there. I got 3 of each color. So those are my 3 red objects. Right, next in the rainbow is orange. Oh, is red a primary color? Can you remember? We're going to go to orange next. Right. I have this little orange fish. Kind of looks like Finding Nemo. Put it right there. I have a little orange umbrella. When I was a kid, I used to use these umbrellas for my Polly Pockets. Like they were beach umbrellas. Got my orange umbrella. Put that there. Okay. My other orange object. Oh, here it is. This is from Africa. My brother got it when he went there. It's a warthog. He's got orange beads more than any other bead. Might be kind of hard to see. He's a warthog. It's a kind of pig, a wild pig. So he's made out of beads and wires, and he's got lots of orange beads. So I got him for orange today. So I'm going to put him right there. Okay, there are my 3 orange objects. Right, yellow next. I got Bananagrams. It's a game that we have. And the case looks like a banana, so it's yellow. When I was in elementary school, I made pots, clay pots on the wheel. Something I really like doing and I'm going to do again as an adult. So I made this when I was in elementary school. And it's yellow with green dots all on it. Put that there. Then my other yellow object is a school bus that I played with when I was a kid. And you drag it along and the bus driver's head moves as you pull the bus along. It used to have a string. I have people, like kids, and you put them in the bus. So I always liked that toy. Put them right there. There we go, my yellow objects. Right. There we go. Alright, after yellow comes green in the rainbow. Let's see. I have a book that's very green. I'm going to put the book there. I have a tennis ball, which the doggies use, but it's green. It's kind of a lighter green, orange, or yellowy green kind of color, but it's green. I'm counting it. And then I have a Lego bike that's green with a little Lego girl on it. Green little bike. Ooh, hi, doggy. So I'm just going to join our video. He's missing his mom. She's not here right now, so he's going to sit with me. Alright, next after green is blue. I have a blue car, police car, that my dad used to play with when he was a little boy. Blue police car. So that's fun. He used to play with that. We'll put in there. And then I have blue bubbles. Bet some of you have bubbles. We use these kind of bubbles at school too. Blue bubbles. I'll put those there. And then, sorry. Car bubbles. And then this is another thing my brother brought back from Africa. It's a giraffe, and he's got lots of blue beads that make him. It's kind of hard to see because he's got his neck. So I'm going to put, I'm going to put him right there. Giraffe, bubbles, and car. Alright, next is pink. Pink. This is a pink ladybug plant holder, so you put a pot. It's a pot, and then you put a plant in right there. Ladybug. He's pink. They're usually red. Somebody decided to do that. I got a pink umbrella. It's not really a toy, but you know. Pink umbrella. Put that back up. And then this is a weaving circle. So I have tools and I get thread, and like you guys finger knit on your fingers, instead of on your fingers when you finger knit, I knit on this round plastic thing with little tongs. So these are like your fingers, and you put the string around it, and you can make hats and scarves and sweaters and all kinds of stuff. It's very pink, so I'm going to put it there. And then for my white thing, I have a white doggy. So he's giving my white thing. He does not like being on the table. You're my white thing. You're my white toy. Yeah, you are. Dominic, come here. Hey. And then for my black toy, I have my black doggy. I have a white doggy and a big black doggy. So she's got to be for my black. Yes, you stole my tennis ball. So, we have red. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, pink, white, and black. The big doggy, she's over there now. Alright, and those are all my things that I found. So, I hope you like this activity. It's really fun. Once you get all your toys out, you need to make sure you put them away, right? Let's go over our primary colors. Remember? Red, yellow, and blue are our primary colors. So maybe you can find more primary colors, or you could put things together like we know blue and yellow make green. Yellow make green, so maybe you can talk about what colors make what other colors and things like that. And you could also, if you do this with your toys, after you do that, you could do foods that are these colors, and then after you do that, you could do flowers that are these colors, or just nature, green plants and things like that. You could try to find all kinds of things that are these colors. It doesn't just have to be toys. It can be whatever you want. So you can play this game lots of different times. Thanks, friends. Bye.